Hello, this is Opinion Radar. Today we're diving into a creative adventure that's perfect for little hands and big imaginations. I'm a mom, and I'm always on the hunt for toys that are more than just fleeting entertainment. That's why I'm so excited to talk about the Clever Kit's DIY Night Light, an adorable kit that lets your child design and paint their very own glowing cat companion for just $8. In this review, I'll be sharing our real world experience with this arts and crafts set, exploring everything from the painting process to its role as a comforting bedtime buddy. We'll look at how it fosters creativity and becomes a special part of the nightly routine, while also touching on the practical details like durability and the final glow. So, if you're considering a gift that sparks joy and artistic pride, stick around as we unbox this charming little project. As a mom constantly on the lookout for activities that spark creativity and keep my kids engaged, I was thrilled to discover the Clever Kit's DIY Night Light. When I first unboxed it, I was pleasantly surprised by how complete the kit felt. It wasn't just a simple lamp, it was an entire arts and crafts project waiting to happen. The concept of having my child paint their own cat night light immediately appealed to me because it combines art, a sense of ownership, and a practical function for their bedroom. It's one of those toys that feels like a gift that keeps on giving, first as a fun project and then as a comforting bedtime companion. The experience of using this kit is where it truly shines. From the moment my daughter opened the paint pots, I could see the excitement in her eyes. She spent a solid afternoon meticulously painting every detail of her little cat, choosing colors and patterns that reflected her own personality. It wasn't a rushed, 5-minute activity. It became a focused, immersive project that held her attention for hours, which is a rare win for any parent. This isn't just about following instructions, it's about self expression. Watching her add the final brushstroke and then seeing her pride when she turned on the light for the first time was a special moment. The cat's soft glow, emanating from her own handiwork, made her feel like a true artist who created something both beautiful and functional for her own space. In terms of practicality, this night light serves its purpose well for the intended age group. It's not meant to light up an entire room, and that's a good thing. The light is gentle and diffused, perfect for helping a child feel secure at night without being so bright that it disrupts sleep. My daughter loves having it on her bedside table, and the cat silhouette creates a lovely, cozy ambience as she drifts off to sleep. It's become part of her nightly routine, a little beacon of comfort she can look at. For younger children or those who are afraid of the dark, this can be a wonderfully reassuring object because it's something they created themselves, which makes it even more special than a store-bought night light. However, it's important to go into this with a balanced perspective, just like with any art project for kids. While the paint in the kit is included and the colors are vibrant, some of the paints might require a few layers to get a solid, opaque coverage, especially on certain areas. This isn't necessarily a downside, as it teaches patience and layering, but it's something to keep in mind for kids who expect instant, perfect results. Also, when it comes to the light itself, I learned through my own experience that applying a very thick coat of paint over the main light emitting area can slightly dampen the glow. It's a minor technical note to remember, but for the most part, the finished product is absolutely adorable and provides a sufficient amount of light for its purpose as a gentle night light. From a durability standpoint, the finished lamp is sturdy enough for a child's room. It's made of a durable plastic, so it can withstand the occasional bump or nudge. The battery life is another aspect to consider. It runs on standard batteries, which are easy to replace. In my home, it has been used consistently every night for several weeks, and it's still shining brightly. Though I did notice a slight flicker on the very first night, which settled and hasn't recurred since. This might be an isolated quality variation, but it's something to be aware of. Overall, the construction is light and safe, with no sharp edges, making it a perfectly suitable choice for a child to handle and decorate on their own. Ultimately, whether this kit is a good fit Depends on what you're looking for. If you want an instant plug and play night light, this might not be the right choice. But if you're seeking a rewarding activity that yields a tangible, personalized result, the Clever Kits DIY night light is a fantastic option. It's an affordable little investment in a project that fosters creativity, provides a sense of accomplishment, and ends with a charming, functional piece for their bedroom. For a birthday present or a special holiday gift for a child aged 6 or older who loves arts and crafts, this hits the mark beautifully. It's more than just a toy. It's an experience and a source of pride that they'll enjoy long after the painting is done. If you're ready to light up your child's creativity and their room, give the Clever Kits DIY Nightlight a try. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more heartfelt reviews from a mom's perspective. Keep crafting, keep glowing, and I'll see you in the next one.